nkomodiem no do to it's a facility no about back to go for a Anglo Gold for no facilities na as good for you no they say no say open so use I'm say you need to contact them and you find out say new be as some don bomb division 1 games or government say Tuesday say Monday ko mo friendly game bi ansa no mo ba Abrankese Dr. Kwame Chase Stadium abebo against a Park FC and through this process Anglo Gold for no some person facilities ne be ko waste nti enkomodi akoso between Anglo Gold and the top officials of Asante Kotoko as they say no the Ofori Park is being handed over to Asante Kotoko yes some youth team no for the meantime before they will finish the Kings project no Kotoko youth team will move to Obuase on base to the facilities at Ofori Park I want to say Asante Kotoko eba be yusu na omo dey say adwuma ni nyina enche coach Kwasi Appiah and then Nana ebe move to Obuase to inspect the facilities nti nyoma to toma then the youth team will move to Obuase no mo so akọ start omo dwumade nyina ewo ho the announcement for the new board no to enche
it's serious
enche bia it will come before this season e be start yes because say a requirement akoto so omo ye ansana season ya jomo amomo season ni mu one area the same to I can say a yes setting say it's possible coach Kwasi Appiah will move from the technical director position into a board member of the club
in charge of technical
then a technical director will come
say
so body me
just say Kwasi no kwa obey board technical or board yes also no board or on be technical discussions
so
Obiako board with an expertise a certain area of competence and Kwasi Appiah so board so tech discussions about technical areas so no
okay and a possible say is virtually going to be a management board until the chairman of the board then becomes executive chairman the chairman of the board becomes executive chairman. And we remove no, and I'm to Akoba say, on say, Sawashe, Asante Kotoko for so many years, Adia Bakwa, anytime Biano, or him so be taking decision, to once I consistent, and the consultation with supporters and all players. And Una Adana make us say, sir. Opportunity na supporters. You can supporters are referring to circles wa. Any all players nenya no. It looks like omun take advantage of it. Ema ye hu omun influence within the club. Make influencer be ma club na grow by using their role. And yes, you ama opposition no na wote ho kwa. Ba wo do position na ye adwuma. I mean, we say position ya dia mawi ana say said ye si hoahoa wo team ni mo no so to so ye bibi say wo fa circles ni ne ya ade ade san nyina circles ne kofom I mean, sure say obi oda circles na no bia ana obi ojoin Kotoko circles bia ba gi atom say Asante Kotoko circles ku no ade san nyina no so to circles ne kofom. One thing I feel say omonti ase ne say ewi ase no to ade san wi ase na esesa and I'm telling you this your WhatsApp groups are it do so ma even on their platform omo ye contribution to omo contribution sika omo gege even to support Asante Kotoko e was reaching circles me who be recently kra no enche bia na kuma pem for fundraising. Sika mu raising you during their fundraising. Na so chance sika Ashanti Regional Circles Council so yes omo ye fundraising no munya ye. Me to start the mention say. It is a what nature na we analysis ah. And then I won't try as much as possible. Now these WhatsApp platforms no mabe so influential. You don't sit down with them. Mono monto atwa. Monchrom reason why they should join the supporters group air circles no. Na empomo mo numbers. Said the bear circles ni mu beye do because opportunity no hene dia mo no zoto enyo me be say no mo de beye increase the supporting base of the club. Enya de omo ye because omo ba nyina no throughout the years obi ani who are waiting to find a solution to increase the circles numbers. 2 aware Asante Kotoko as a club will benefit from the numbers when they are playing games at Baba Sports Stadium. And in the last 11 years, when you pick data, for attendance at Baba Sports Stadium, Kotoko matches on Maba, we say every single season, and so take. It's when we are supporters leader. Now for data, now who's had you we are. I say, yeah, dear, that will come so 2-1 among. Your concentration should be on when you are signed number Kotoko. It's not your work. When you go gate and you what Juma no. What Juma is to find a way to get some
players on Beba so you have interest.
Mizoto.
Also hold interest. Also pushy.
I know na edru ana.
Because almost seems a hand.
Edru ana. Menka say o suggestions should not be taken. But edru point bi a obetimi suggest bibi. Be ko yensha. The
entire moment you brain say. Say hano. Match up so go catch on the Momra Stadium. The player ben ye be hwe.
E dey na management here.
Player ben ye be hwe no.
Sika e na management dey ko to player no.
Also would say he say ye call ye no players we in the bar e be man ya ba.
Sika e na management e dey ko to player. Management be person ni pa be ba stadium na etimi atomo kan bi so amomo. Ana meboa.
Yeah.
Nti management no mo te ho no a mo take decisions dey ama club no what they need is resource. I'm not saying say my supporters and recommend it. But my man say omo ye part of recruitment. Oh, Mr. Tuasema ye can tell.
Omo part of no necessary. Say any kwan say omo na lead.
On say eno na ya na sometimes emotions be mu no na akofa problem aba no. My mema this set of example ne idea so kan dia na ba fu yi. Unu se betimi kura ba se sika no mtuetu amaboy kura bo hu na management kura nya awe. Ebi kura na management plans on the player kura na asesa. Ba we supporter na wo ti be na wo send momo de ma player no. Ba na management so to no ma take a different decision. So we dey no ma take a different decision. It's what I'm trying to say ni say. Baby e gina say no. The akoba ne say so to highly possible say supporters be nya rep. Okay. And definitely Benya rep on the border. It will come from the circles.
Okay.
All players Benya rep. And also so ebe free all players name and o represent all players no ho. Omoma ye hu omudwumedie and how they omudwumedie ne be influence the growth of the club.
That is if they get the chance.
Yes, and only baby a me person be dem asem ne kono.
Okay.
So to the mention say. And one area I will keep on saying they say, and no me hu ade bi I don't know if it is true. Say omo the number be about one thing say contribute to Asante Kotoko.
Yeah, I've also seen it. I've seen the graphic design.
I don't know.
And say BBC it should come from management.
Is that management and the buy? Anna.
There should be a communique. It is a management so nya we more money in koho.
I'm sure management will be because
more money in koho na nche bia na ayi. Asori bi ewo sunyane kwan so. Na mzoto asori baba ko. You be a sorry for the Gini Dipa. No starting na wo ho na send a text message say ya jeje contribution e de akwa kusi dan e de ama sorry
say no boy
say no ane dan no person to
aso we no wie ne dan
no enti
and WhatsApp groups were once invited by the circle's leadership. Big Joe can testify the meeting was held at Menchia. Good morning. So they are making efforts.
They did it.
Some I'm so being here message you I said that your intentions are good but maybe Ira say e bana ma you we na
okay eti be ma boda kakra wo ho no then again you can say about Kotoko Go Stars just a minute why na supporters omo anxious person mo hwe game ni bi ba Kotoko am an avenue a platform for them to watch the game nyame yad my Kwasi Appiah Kotoko ne ho United Don't Worry Cup. Ewo Ihohoi. Honorable Peter Mewu, the team no. Also, Mammy Aka baby. It's all Mammy and nickname here. Don't worry.
Don't Worry Cup.
Don't Worry Cup. Or body I show Mammy and Munya. Zoto Kotoko. Enkreti.
And just open Mammy as I'm saying will be
create an avenue for their supporters to watch that game. Games be saying Zoto, yet we generate sika the finances of the club.
Okay.
Momunko now for Munko pictures go back or share any one for they have a YouTube page. The match should be live on the YouTube page. Now so mobet me a pay-per-view. Supporters some one person game maybe they will pay. And what game no Sikare Beba Asante Kotoko.
Thank you. So bad.
No Ukraine is a Kotoko here investment when it comes to the communication department.
Investment.
Yeah, I'm here investment. They say the name Mr. Two. Online edumano upesa boys need me here
pa virtual seat then what's happened to virtual seats and this is starting league
that idea was for stadium yeah.
Okay,
so I think this will be a different moment. This will be a different contribution.
Okay.
But I'm so too like
by this time around before the end of last season
about
so they may have to look at it again.
Yeah, no to Kotoko communication department
investment. Personnel.
Gadget. Personnel them so to ana gadget ni here. Say gadget na dem more personnel ne beba.
Obsolete.
Because
more than
omu here nioma.
Up to scratch.
Omu here nioma. Nti IMC no omu plans no omu policies no. Omu treaty send omu treaty operations no Mr. to omu boys na communication no so sa.
Okay.
Oh Mr. to because camera say they need an upgrade. So say kotokonya de nipa ni gina chiri kura otwe.
But the boys should draw the attention of guys no more. They should draw the attention of management.
Moving forward. It should be part of
somebody sits up there as management. The problems are the sports department. If you don't draw the attention, some of them they don't even know. If you are microphone, I can say Papa say they may not know. So you draw the attention.
This is what as general manager of Promise Media. Okay. And we how important are social media is. Your stations Ghana have to they generate over $20,000, $30,000
yes.
From their social media platforms.
Yes.
Now who baby we are say ko. Now Mr. To say Omo tesro na me kan kire wo Mr. To.
But you have to.
So what I'm trying to say is
oh yes, better. Once you write a memo, you remind them.
No, I know yeah.
So
once
you mania.
Once area na ye ko sese ni ye. Baby akotoko betimi asa nya sika as strengthen omo finances. And obi a wo management of the club. I want who baby we ase ko how social media na mesika.
Agree.
Talk to the say.
You see, managers do not know everything. Tinabe department we in a head. So the head there should draw the attention of manager. Head and say cry a call conference be a Beni. God, you understand it more than them. To say idea gadgets near the can be a manager. Yes, you know social media discover. But when you say the idea be about clicking
on gadgets near and the personal now our form and they be recommended. But what I'm saying
or the managers can tell them
what I'm saying is say baby we are seen Druno. Baby we are seen Druni, baby we are seen
old man.
Oh manager Ben
it's a must. We belong to the 1940s.
Because they say no suggestion nowadays but say I don't know more opium forbidden.
Yeah.
Then radios or TV stations will bid for almost friendly games. No, they will pay good money.
You can pay 1 million. Okay.
It is a now as general manager. So too, avenues near this cabin and so who can be first
because I think that baby I got to go move this season. More investment or communication more. Being returns quick crashing.
Okay.
Some of the league matches on the ball.
Okay.
Maybe a month, they can make good money, but it will need investment.
People need to be proactive.
Yes, they will need investment. Kotoko here 4K cameras. They edit videos. Be a bear 3. No afani pa bear 2 be akaho. Into most Kotoko Board, there are different angles to a video modeba. Solid ABR machine, miso to quick editing or mode editing or mode uchana neba. Inti delay BM.
Okay.
Oh, so that they can improve on their work because your individuals are setting up online studios.
They are bigger.
What they do is assembly babonte and no atam no can be no. But record, but quite a better camera no the better recording. Wow, to 1 hour shot na.
Okay.
Airfare. Graphics or the be any airfare. And which so to which I think say Kotoko where they are heading towards no. If they are doing because pre-season here Kotoko ye. Whose attention will hop and maybe attention will be no. That is where you feed the people. Yeah, they are jiska. Ebi bit me do baby. Resource in bit me akoba. Resource in bit me akoba.
Who about na hwe na so oni je na be so ware na. Where the no sika na de be kwa.
Say wo ware no me ka so do ya na.
Ni na iska woni na de hwe ni na.
No to what I say. So move.
That na ware nje ya.
Omon pe be mienu bi kan na.
That game here.
Dozo de busan so hu haji a. Ani ji haji a hu ko fie ko sra haji awa ware. Enye sika na ode ya. David.
Okwe hu za so ye adwuma.
Eti se ni na de hwe bibia na iska.
Dozo mate se me